condensation. In my last video, I discussed about the concept of alpha hydrogen. So, mechanism of aldol condensation. So, what actually happens here is, in case of aldol condensation, we will be adding two aldehydes. So, it will be an aldehyde plus aldehyde, and you will get the product. So, this aldehyde, it must have alpha hydrogen, because we know that the compounds which have alpha hydrogen, they only give the aldol condensation reactions. So, let us take acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond O, H, and once again we take one more molecule of acetaldehyde. So, when we treat two molecules of acetaldehyde which are having alpha hydrogen, so what's the product we are going to get? So, here what happens is, we are trying to add the carbon and carbon. So, carbon gets added with carbon. So, let us understand a few basic things here. We know in case of acetaldehyde, we have got a C double bond O. Because of the electronegativity, oxygen will be having the negative sign and carbon will be having the positive sign. So, same has to apply here generally. So, once again this carbon must have a positive and the oxygen must have a negative. Just imagine, when both the carbons are having the positive charge in them, we can't add them. So, they have to repel. So, we can't directly add this carbon and this carbon, because I told you very clearly, because of the electronegativity, carbon is having positive sign, oxygen is having negative. Same thing will happen here. So, I can't add the carbon and carbon. It will repel. So, we have to make some adjustments here. So, what we will do is, we will take 1 mole of acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. So, I will take 1 mole of acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond O, H, and I will treat with the base. So, when I treat with the base, what happens is, the base will pull on hydrogen from here. So, you will get the CH2, C double bond O, H, and carbon valency, it's 3 now, 1 and 2, 3. So, it will have a negative sign here, plus the water molecule will be given out. So, carbon with a negative sign, we call it as carbanion. See, our purpose is to add just carbon and carbon. We can't directly add the two aldehydes because of this problem, electronegativity problem. So, what we are doing is, we are taking one molecule of the acetaldehyde, treating with the base to generate the carbanion. Now, we know that this carbon has got a negative sign, this carbon has got a positive sign, so it can be added very easily. So, this step we call it as generation of carbanion. And you know what's the purpose behind this? To make it negative, then only we can add it. Now, step 2 will be, so this will be the step 1. This will be step 1. Let us take step 2. So, we are going to add this carbanion to the aldehyde, because here we have taken only one molecule of the acetaldehyde. Now, addition of carbanion to aldehyde. So, let us take one aldehyde, CH3, C double bond O, H, plus I am going to add this carbanion. So, it has got the carbon with negative sign, C double bond O and the H. Now, we know that electronegativity, this has got the plus, this has got the minus, so this will come and get attached here. So, the product will be CH3, C and write the H here, and this CH2 CHO. And now the double bond in the oxygen will not be there, then the valency of carbon becomes 5. Already it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can make a single bond oxygen and minus here. And finally, the last step will be protonation. So the last step will be protonation, where the hydrogen gets added here. And the product will be Ca3, COH, and H. And this will be the CH2, CHO. So here I have got a OH here, I have got a OH here, so which is like an alcoholic group. And here I got a CHO, which is an aldehyde group. That's the reason alcohol we know that OL, aldehyde ALD. So combining these two things we write as aldol, where ALD stands for aldehyde and OL stands for alcohol. So the meaning of aldol constant will be it will be having an aldehyde group as well as an alcohol group. So this is the simple mechanism of aldol condensation. So in the next video, what we'll do is, here once again what happens is, we know the product here, aldol. So carbon, you can give the name as first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. To the third carbon, OH is attached. So we call it as, in general we call it as 3-hydroxyaldehyde. So this will come in 1 mark. So the next part what we'll do is, this product will once again lose the water molecule to give one more product. So that we'll discuss in the next video along with some neat questions and answers there. Thank you.